Here is the software user area where you can see your SMS usage details and reports. And now to send SMS, we simply click on SMS and then click on Quick Send, and this is where we will send our SMS. For this live proof demonstration, I will be sending random test SMS to different countries just to show you how powerful this software really is. For this live test demonstration, I will be sending test SMS to different countries all at the same time. This is a website where we can get different countries' phone numbers to receive text SMS. So we are going to use a United Kingdom phone number and simply open it in a new browser tab. And also we will select a Spain phone number and open in a new browser tab. And finally, we will select a Portugal phone number and open in a new browser tab. So we are going to send SMS to all these countries' phone numbers all at once. All we need to do is to copy the phone numbers and paste them in the software. Remember that you can send SMS to thousands to phone numbers all at once by uploading your phone numbers to the software. And here's where we type our custom sender ID. You may use any sender ID of your choice for every SMS. And also, you may use a phone number sender ID on the software as well. For this test SMS, I want to use XYZ SMS as my custom sender ID. You can as well save your custom sender ID on the software. Over here is where we type our SMS message. I want to send a message like this. This is a test SMS from our bulk SMS software. Thank you for your trust. And lastly, all we need to do is to click on the send button and see the magic happen. And as we see here, all the SMS have been delivered instantly, and now we are going to confirm them. We simply need to refresh the phone number page to see the SMS message. And yes, this is the SMS correctly received on the United Kingdom phone number with the same sender ID that we use. And here is the Spain phone number. And yes, the SMS is correctly received on the Spain phone number with the same sender ID that we used. And here is the Portugal phone number page. And yes, this is the SMS correctly received on the Portugal phone number with the same sender ID that we use. And remember that you can use any sender ID names of your choice at any time. To get this powerful software, you simply need to register an account with the link in the video description. You need to complete the registration information with your user details. And finally, you must choose an SMS plan of your choice based on your SMS needs. Lastly, you select the payment method and complete the payment to the unique wallet address generated to you. Payments are fully automated and are credited to your account instantly. That is all it takes to get started with this amazing bulk SMS software. So what